I had a problem with my Panasonic HCX1000. When I powered on, there was a buzzing sound, and after a few seconds I had this error message: error detected, please turn off and turn it on again. So I tried to remove the battery, I removed the memory cards, nothing helped. Then I remembered, many years ago I had a similar problem with a Canon camcorder, and the solution was to smash it. So I thought, oh, what the heck, I'll try that. So I powered it on, and then I gave it a bold, but not too hard, smash on the underside here, like this. I won't do it now, because maybe then I will reintroduce the problem. But something like this, pip, the buzzing sound disappeared and camera worked. You can try it. Thank you.